Alright, so to replicate this really well crafted setup, which I'd like to call as Pastel Shades, step 1 would be to download Nova Launcher and set that as your default launcher. Now once you've done that, get into your Nova Launcher settings, click on look and feel, and then you will see an option called as show notification bar. Well, make sure to go ahead and disable that. So this will basically give us this really nice and clean edge to edge effect, and this makes the home screen setup look pretty immersive and clean at the same time. Now once you've done that, get back into your Nova settings. This time click on home screen settings and set the desktop grid by 12 into 12. Now once you've done that, set the icon size to about 63%. Then click on dock and disable the dock. Now once you've done that, go back. This time click on app drawer and you will see an option called as swipe indicator. So just go ahead and make sure to disable that. Now once you've done that, it's time to change your wallpaper. So this wallpaper is from a free application called as Palette. Now I could not find the exact wallpaper name, so I'll make sure to drop the direct download link of the wallpaper down below in the description, so you can definitely go ahead and download it from there. Next up, you'll have to go ahead and change your icon pack. So for this setup, I'm using an icon pack called as the Delta icon pack. Now the Delta icon pack has been around for a while, so this icon pack supports a lot of different icons. Now the Delta icon pack actually provides us with these really well crafted pastel shaded icons. Now just make sure to add about 12 icons on your home screen, and yeah, you're pretty much good to go. And finally, talking about those widgets, then you will require the KWGT and the KWGT Pro key. But speaking about the KWGT plugin, then this is a plugin called as Desaturate for KWGT. Now talking about the widget number, then the widget number is J8. So this is basically a date and time widget, and yeah, I think this blends in really well with this setup. Now by the way, you'll find the Nova Launcher backup file as well as the wallpaper direct download link and all the apps used to create this setup down below in the description. So definitely make sure to check it out, and well, I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.